dessert. Who doesn't like dessert? Today, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I make my favorite dessert, which is going to be chocolate covered strawberries. Specifically for this, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to choose the perfect strawberries for this dessert. We obviously want the perfect strawberries. So according to How to Choose Strawberries by Fearless Kitchen, you want to avoid strawberries that appear to have mold on them. You want to avoid strawberries that have shriveled up or dry, and also strawberries, for the appealing effect, you want to have strawberries that have the green perfect stem that is going to attract many people. Now that we covered how to find the perfect strawberries, let's move on how to prepare our workspace and the ingredients we are going to be using today. So the first ingredient, obviously, that we are going to be needing is a pack of fresh strawberries. The next thing we are going to be needing is this. It's chocolate wafers. I use the brand Dulce Fruta, and it can be found at Stater Brothers near the fruit section. Next, we are going to be needing aluminum foil. And now let's jump into the fun part, which is making the chocolate covered strawberries and turning it into my favorite dessert. First step, wash your hands. The next step you want to do is separate the good strawberries from the bad. Good. 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 After that, the next step to do is to wash your strawberries and help remove any excess dirt, any bugs that can be around the strawberries. By doing that, we're going to put the strawberries inside a bowl. And we're going to add some salt. Let's sit for about 2 minutes. While the strawberries are sitting, you're going to want to grab your pan and your aluminum foil to prepare it for when the strawberries are covered in chocolate. Get your pan to look like this. After the strawberries have been sitting, you're going to want to dry them completely. No excess water on top so that the chocolate could stick to it better. I typically use a towel because a paper towel, it normally will get stuck. Strawberries are sitting back there. It's time to melt the chocolate. So what you do is you open the chocolate, you remove the plastic, and it should look like this. You put them in the microwave for 30 seconds for 2 minutes. So 30 seconds and you mix, put it back in the microwave, 30 more seconds, you mix again, back in the microwave, and so on until you reach 2 minutes. And the chocolate should not be burnt. Just the first thing after the first 30 seconds. So you mix, and it's going to look like this. Whoops. And place back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Once the chocolate is all melted and it looks like this, here's the fun part. You get your strawberry, and you also may use a spoon. Dip it completely and place on the pan with the aluminum foil. And you continue to do that with each of the strawberries that you are going to. Allow strawberries to sit for 30 minutes to allow chocolate to harden. Letting them sit for 30 minutes, time to enjoy. Cheers! From teaching you guys how to choose the perfect strawberries, to melting chocolate, to making my favorite dessert, I truly had a blast here in the kitchen. I encourage all you guys to get out into the kitchen and make my favorite dessert and let me know how it tastes. I am so excited to watch all your guys' videos, and thank you for watching mine.